if you are a person that does not know anything about construction, that you should have someone overseeing your project. Usually that's some sort of general contractor, but I would suggest that you bring on your designer, and hopefully you've gotten a design for whatever installation you're doing, but allowing your designer to continue on to oversee your project as well, or at least partner with the person that you're allowing to oversee your project. And why this is so important is that no matter the project, there's always going to be something that's going to come as a bump in the road, and you're going to have to make some decisions. And if you're not the person who you feel like can make those decisions, you need to bring someone on who is the advocate for you and also is capable of seeing how the changes are going to affect the overall design, and that your implementation and your vision for the whole project will be seen through. For example, on this project that we're sitting here, we had some material issues. The materials weren't going to come in on time and things like that. So sometimes you have to make a split second decision on, are we going to change the material? Are we just going to change the color? Are we going to go with a whole different company? What do those timelines look like? And you need to have someone that you can partner with who can say, let's move to this material. It's going to look similar enough, you know, whatever those things may be. There also can be add-ons during a project. You know, maybe you want to add on lighting, or you get into the project and you want to add something else, and you want to make sure that there's an advocate there for you that can help you add those things on that aren't going to affect the overall project, or they know when to add them on that makes the most sense to the project. Maybe there's something that you can leave on for the end of the project. Maybe it's something that you can add on in a couple of months after the project's over. Maybe it makes more sense to add it now because that will save you more money. Do you see what I'm saying here? It can get really confusing, and so it's really important that you have someone on your team that can help advocate for you. It's going to cost you a little more money, but I can guarantee you that at the end of the day, it's going to save you so much time and stress for the end of your project.